Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious and easy recipe that's medu vadas but made with poha and not rice and lentil. So if you want to see the other medu vada recipe that I made with rice and lentils, you can see the link above. I'm adding the link. And today I'm going to show you medu vadas made with poha or meat and rice. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and let's get started. Now, the ingredients for our recipe are a cup of poha. This is the thin poha or beaten rice. You have medium and thick as well, but this is the thin one. And I have some bread crumbs over here. A tablespoon of rice flour to make it crisp, finely chopped curry leaves or curry patta, some cilantro chopped, green chilies chopped, some chopped onions, chopped ginger, some finely crushed chili flakes made at home. Now this is salt to taste, some jeera or cumin seeds, and a pinch of baking soda, and I'm also going to add 1 or 2 teaspoons of hing or asafoetida. Now the first thing that I want to do is soak this fine or thin poha in water for about 2 to 3 minutes. And after soaking it in water for 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to rinse it completely, strain out the water, and this is how it looks. Now since it's thin poha, within 2 or 3 minutes it becomes really mushy. So, and I've strained the water out of this. So that's the first thing. And then I'm going to add some breadcrumbs to this. I'm just going to add little by little. First, I'm just going to add these breadcrumbs and later add more. A little bit of rice flour to make it crisp. And after I add that, I'm going to add the curry leaves, jeera, salt to taste, crushed pepper, ginger, green chilies, cilantro, onions, and a little bit of hing or asafoetida. After adding all this, I'm going to mix all this together. I'm going to use my clean hands to mix everything. Just mix everything thoroughly, and if needed, I'm going to add some more breadcrumbs and the rice flour. So just mix it. So now this is our mixture or a batter kind of a thing that we have made for our medu vadas, and I've greased my hands a little, and I'm going to take some portion of this and make it into a round ball. Just flatten it like this. Okay, make a flat ball like this. So this is how I make a small round ball, and then flatten it a little, and then I'm just going to place it on this board over here and make a hole in the center. Okay, and this gives a cute medu vada shape. And similarly, I'm going to make some more. And similarly, I'm going to make more like these. So these are our medu vadas, and I'm going to make a hole in the center like the first one. Okay, so I've made holes in each of these vadas, and now we're going to deep fry these. And now our oil is hot and I'm going to fry our vadas. So slowly just put these in. And we're going to fry these till they are golden brown, and let it stay. Don't turn it around immediately. Let it fry completely on one side, and then I'm going to turn. Now these are delicious medu vadas made out of poha, and they are super crunchy and they look delicious as well. And I'm going to break one and show you. You can hear the crunch and it looks super delicious. I hope you enjoyed this medu vada recipe made out of poha. If you did, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe. And till next time, bye-bye.